The frequency table below shows the number of toy cars each of 3 students have. Which graph matches the facts given in the chart? What is the first thing that we need to do? We need to know, boys and girls. Well, we know that we have 3 students, and the tally marks under each student shows the number of cars each student has. So the first thing that we need to do is figure out how many cars each student has. So what we're going to do is we're going to count the tally marks and write their total right beside their tallies. So Colby has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Colby has 10 cars. Susan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Troy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are going to see which one of these graphs matches what the frequency chart, or frequency table, says. So A says that Colby has, let's follow our bars, 10. So does Colby have 10? Let's see. Let's go back. 10, 10. So that works out. It says Susan has 10. So you follow your bar. That's right. No, that's wrong. I apologize. Because we know that she has only 5, right? So Troy has 15. Well, let's see. 15, 15. So that works. But Susan does not have 10. Because we know Susan has how much? 5. She has 5 cars. So A would not work. B says Colby has 5, 10, 15, 15. Well, let's look. How many does Colby have? 10. So we know that that is not right because the graph shows us that he has 15, but we know he only has 10. Susan, it says she has 10, but we know that she only has 5, so that does not work either. It says Troy has 5, but we can see up here that he has 15, but here he only has 5, so we know that that does not work. So B does not match our information at all either. C, go to C. C says Colby has 10. Well, let's go back and look. We reference, and yes, he has 10, so that works. Let's check Susan. It says Susan has 5. Well, if we go back up here, we see that Susan does indeed have 5. Okay, so the graph says that Troy has 5, 10, 15, and he does have 15, so we know that matches. So we know that our answer would be C.